Is it on?
Yeah, it's recording.
Oh. Hee.
Brandy, I love you.
Ah. I love you very much too. Do do do.
What, you don't love me?
I do.
I sound like a
I do love you. No, you don't. Yeah.
So, how are you?
Oh my gosh. That's so funny.
It's almost all gone.
Oh no.
They should really put more in me.
They should.
Yeah. When are you going to do yours?
I don't even know where to.
Good job, Reinhardt. Oh my god.
It's a good thing I'm not short.
Hey.
I would have been sad if it was open. I'm so humiliated.
We all know you are, Brandy. What?
Oh god, I don't like
Canada. That's what she said. I'm all out. Do I still sound special?
I feel like I'm going to drop this.
That's how I felt. Oh my gosh. Do I sound normal again?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I don't know what to
Look
say.
it up. Okay. I didn't know what to say. Brandy.
Oh.
I
It's so sad and it doesn't work.
know. That looks cool. Can't see my camera. Canada.
I can't even get it.
I just cut that whole part off.
Seriously?
Yeah.
I can see the line.
Oh, my camera's upside down. That makes sense.
No! You can tell me?
Carrie.
I can say it.
I just got you on video swearing, saying that word. You go, girl, Brandy. You take your time. You take your time. Get it in. Get it in.
I'm like way too.
Ah, you just threw scissors. I'm sorry for throwing scissors on.
Oh my god. Okay. I don't even know where the hole is.
That's what she said.
Your mother has a penis.
I can say it in Denmark if they can see it.
Oh my god. I love you, Liam. I love you so much.
Nah, it's fine. We're fine.
Oh my god. I don't know what to say. I love you very much.
You sound like a chipmunk.
I got a chipmunk.
Oh, it's almost gone.
It's gone.
We never showed you
The saddest thing ever.
You're not. You're gone.